Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat datang di channel Ahmadcontech. Untuk bisa cepat menguasai materi adalah meniru dengan mengembangkan gagasan dan berulang kali mempraktikannya. Singkat kata, kalau tidak bisa ya dicontek saja.
In the previous video, namely the sixth module, the steps for installing PrestaShop on Laragon were presented. In this video, it is a continuation which will present material or test results from the PrestaShop installation. Have a good study. Before entering the discussion on the examination of the results of the PrestaShop installation, in Module A7, I have included how to deal with problems you encounter during the PrestaShop installation. The problem usually does not occur because the PrestaShop installer is incomplete. Usually, the problem arises because the computer system register requirements are not in accordance with the requests of PrestaShop, or there is a script from the configuration of one of the files in PrestaShop that must be changed. HTTP status code 500 is a problem that is often encountered during PrestaShop installation. Note that there is a lot of content on the internet related to this problem. Search results in December 2023, there are about 117 billion. HTTP status code 500 is a common error code. It means that the server encountered an unexpected condition that prevented it from fulfilling the request. This error is usually returned by the server when no other error code is appropriate. Here's how to overcome HTTM status code 500. From your computer desktop, click the Start button and launch Control Panel. Click System and Security. Click System. Click Advanced System Settings. Click the Environment Variables button. Click the New button. Fill the variable name line with OpenCellComp. Fill the variable value line with the file name openssl.crf. Adjust the folder location and directory. Click OK. Click OK. Click OK. Close the Settings and Control Panel. Restart the computer. Edit the file. defines.inc.php. Note on line 29, change false to true. You can enable Windows Explorer via Laragon. Enter the project folder of the e-commerce store built with PrestaShop. Open the config folder. Edit the defines.inc.php file. I capitalized the letters first to make it clear. I changed the font size to 25 pixels. Now edit. On line 29, change the text false to true. Save the changes again. Now go back to Laragon and run the project. Check the installation result. The installation has gone well. All that's left is to make sure the software runs well too. Fill in your email and password and log in. There is a warning that the store application is offline. Store data cannot be accessed. Click the Go to Maintenance page button. On this display for the Enable Store line, give the status Yes. If necessary, also fill in the IP address code on the Maintenance IP line. To find out the IP address code of the computer, from the command prompt type the ipconfig command, then enter. Copy the IP address code and return to the store maintenance view. Place the IP address copy result. Save the data change result. Try to exit from the e-commerce system that has been made. log back into the e-commerce system. Now the position of the store, e-commerce, is already in an active state. This is the home view or home page of the e-commerce system for the admin or manager. Try checking the dashboard menu. Dashboard menu can be displayed and there is no problem. Also check the other menus to ensure that the entire e-commerce system is running well. Return to the home page. Thus, the overall e-commerce system for admin or manager is running well. The last part of this work, we try to activate the e-commerce application for the front office through Laragon. It can be seen that this application is already running. Try to make changes to the language used, then refresh. Until this part of the module, it is hoped that you have understood the entire material presented.
Demikian video pembelajaran ini, semoga dapat membantu Anda dan bisa dijadikan sebagai bahan referensi. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.